Hey, what's going on? This is Jeremy at ibl.ai, and today I'm showing you our Precalculus mentor. This is available to any of the users who want to work on the Mentor AI platform. If it's a mentor that jumps out to you and you'd like access to it, just let us know. We'll send you a link and get you set up. So, like I said, this is a Precalculus mentor. We've trained it on the OpenStax OER Precalculus 2E textbook. You can see that the entire textbook has been consumed and is successfully trained by this number in the tokens column. And we've also made it visible, allowing the mentor to cite where it's pulling its answers from. So just to show you a little bit of the functionality of the mentor, we do have these pre-suggested guided prompts, so to speak. This just allows the user to come in. They know that they need help, but don't really know what question to ask in order to get where they need to be. Here are a couple of questions that will dynamically change throughout the context of the conversation that will allow the student to begin that dialogue and hopefully get to where they need to be. So, first question I'm going to ask are, what topics are covered in Precalculus 2E? So, the mentor is going to give a general overview of the chapters of the textbook, the topics of the textbook, and the three major core areas of the textbook. And then at the bottom here, we will see, based on the conversation that we've started, a couple of additional suggested prompts to continue that conversation. And on the right-hand side, we're seeing the retrieved documents. This is the mentor citing where it pulled the information from and rating each portion of the textbook where it pulled some of this information from with a percentage of accuracy, which allows students to go directly into the textbook themselves, find the exact area that the mentor is citing in its response to get a much more concrete overview directly from the textbook for whatever information they're looking for. So next, I'm going to ask the mentor to explain functions and their properties, get a little more into the nitty-gritty of Precalculus. And again, the mentor is doing exactly what I want. It's giving me a very clear overview, some example formulas for some of the major functions in Precalculus, and again, citing the textbook in its response. And that's a very quick overview of the Precalculus mentor that we've put together, available on the Mentor AI platform. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, learn more at ibl.ai.